皆さんこんにちは、ビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, Vicky. How are you doing? Alright, today I would like to share this kanji on the screen. Okay? 何のまとめ、何と何のまとめね。Today we focus on the pronunciation 何。Okay? So for some of you, if you have learned, we can review. Okay, so today we're going to learn day of the week. いいですか? So I will add on the romaji for people who haven't learned. Alright. So the first one is 月ね、月火水木金土日いいですか？一緒に読みましょう。 Let's read together. 一緒に means together. 読みましょう。Let's read. 読みましょう。Let's read. 一緒に読みましょう。Let's read together. Okay? So for day of the week, 曜日ね、曜日 day of the week. Okay, so those hiragana plus 曜日 it becomes 7 days of the week. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. いいですか? Alright, let's start. 月曜日ね、Monday. 火曜日 Tuesday. 水曜日 Wednesday. 木曜日 Thursday. 金曜日 Friday. 土曜日 Saturday. 日曜日 Sunday. いいですか? Okay, so this is 7 days of the week. Yeah. So what if we want to see what day is it today, or we want to say today is Thursday? いいですか? はい。Let's put I put this down. ですか? Okay, so this is the must learn sentence pattern. いいですか? So one over here. One. ね. One. In the 50 hiragana alphabet, it's pronounced as ha, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. So in this sentence pattern, when we use it as a particle, it will be pronounced as wa, w-a. いいですか? For example, we want to ask what day is it today, so we need to use this kanji. So over here, today it's right here, 何 ね、何 きょう Today, きょうね、きょうは何 Now means what? Okay? Now means what? 今日は何曜日ですか? いいですか? 今日は何曜日ですか? So that means what day is it today? Yeah? So let's see if we want to say 今日は木曜日です. Today is Thursday. 今日は Thursday. 木曜日です。Yeah? This over here is like ace. いいですか? Ace. 今日は木曜日です。Yeah? So if you want to ask, is today Thursday? 今日は木曜日ですか? Yeah? ですか over here is like ace. Alright? Kyo means today, ne? This kakikuke ko ka. Ka, it turns the sentence to a question over here, all right? So desu ka, so that means this sentence is like is today, for example, mokuyobi, ne? Mokuyobi, all right? Yeah, so these two sentences, it looks the same except the question word ka behind, right? So kyou wa mokuyobi desu ka? Yeah, with the ka, that means is today Thursday? Is today Thursday? Yeah, if today is Thursday, we can actually directly just say hai mokuyobi desu. We can say hai means yes. Hai mokuyobi desu. Yeah. So if you want to see the full sentence, just now the question, 今日は何曜日ですか? 今日は何曜日ですか? You can say 今日は木曜日です. 今日は木曜日です. Today is Thursday. Or you can just omit the topic, yeah? Because during the actual conversation, if we know what we are talking about, we can actually drop the topic. Yeah, drop the topic. You can just say 木曜日です. 木曜日です. いいですか? Alright, so this is today's summary for noun. Okay, noun. Noun, this word, it looks simple. However, there are many related questions such as 何曜日. Okay, 何曜日. So I'm going to summarize up like this a little bit by little bit. I hope it's useful to you. Alright, so let's read again. ね、もう一回読みましょう. Let's read one more time. ね、okay. 月曜日 Monday. 火曜日 Tuesday. 水曜日 Wednesday. 木曜日 ね、Thursday. 金曜日 Friday. 土曜日 Saturday. 日曜日 and then 今日 means today. Okay, today. Okay, いいですか? I hope you like this kind of video. Yeah, although it looks simple, but to many people maybe it's still very hard to learn. But learning Japanese language is supposed to be a happy journey. Yeah, so take your time. Some people learn very fast. Some people learn very slowly. Okay, so no rush. Just follow your own pace. Yeah. So as I mentioned, the kanji noun, yeah, kanji noun. Okay, so those are the related basic words. Yeah, so for kanji, if you're interested to learn kanji, then this is one of the must learn. Okay, kanji, some people need to learn, some people don't need to learn, depending on the purpose of your learning. All right, so if you learn to just to have speak Japanese fluently without no need to read or write, no need to take any test, learning Japanese language by relying on the hiragana or romaji is good enough. All right, if you hope to take the Japanese test, or if you actually want to read, if you wish to live in Japan, kanji, yes, it's very necessary to learn. It's hard to learn, but take your time. Okay, one day we will get there, right? Okay. はい、何のまとめね。Today, 何のまとめ。Today's topic is 曜日 day of the week. いいですか? Day of the week. Okay? 今日は木曜日ですか? はい。木曜日です。Or you can say はい、今日は木曜日です。 Okay, alright, so thank you for watching. I hope this kind of video is good, and if you like it, please click like and share. Okay, I will try to come up more videos when my work is not too busy. Okay, またね、頑張ってね。See you.